Forrest here with Honey Pots Zone 5. It is spring and I wanted to talk to you guys today about pepper plants. Hot and sweet peppers and starting them from seed. In the first video I did show you how I started them from seed and what I did with them and why. And I also decided that I was going to do an experiment. I'll post that video up top so you guys can take a look at it. My experiment here is with this certain type of pepper plant. It is called a poinsettia. That's it right there. It is a Tabasco type of pepper plant. It's really pretty. It's very ornamental. I'm growing it as an ornamental to put in the front border. I like a lot of red in my border. Like spicy stuff. Blech, still can't talk right. But I could also, if I wanted to, make Tabasco out of it, which would be a lot of fun too, and I definitely could see myself doing that. The first one I'm going to show you here of that plant, I did inside. I started it inside in this green room here, and you can see the roots coming out the bottom. I don't squish it right there. And go ahead and leave the little seeds on the tip. They're still getting nutrients from that. So let that go and these will pop off. I'll thin these out later. I might grow this many since I'm using it as an ornamental in a border and I want that big pow of color, which I think would be really cool. Okay, these are the ones I started outdoor with the winter sowing method that I use on everything else. Pretty much everything else gets winter sown in this house. But peppers don't do well with winter sowing. Why, I don't know, because I also do tomatoes at the same time. And they do well, and they're like a warm weather plant. I also do my melons, which I had to redo those seeds, which you can see in my other video, which I'll post up here as well too. So I'm going to take this off of here. This is my tape to seal it, and I also put on the side there what is in here, so I know. You know, no guessing with this. I mean, once in a while surprises are fun and good, but you want to know when to plant out and where to plant it, especially if you have like it planned out on a planogram like I do, which I'll share that one with you as well. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, see there's nothing here. There's nothing there. They just didn't do it. They didn't sprout, nothing germinated. In fact, right here's the seed. It's just laying there. So, again, this is the fourth year that I've done pepper plants, and I've winter sown. Well, not my fourth year of doing pepper plants, but my fourth year of winter sowing. And peppers just don't like it. They do not like to be winter sown. So I think I'm giving up on that. This is like, I'm done trying doing that. Which I'll just sow them inside because I do love, love, love peppers. The other ones that I did, these are called sweet chocolates. And they're doing really well. And of course sewn inside. These were a free gift. This actually doesn't have a pepper on the front. Why, I don't know. Definitely pepper plants, you can tell. Those are definitely pepper plants. They are not a squash like she has in the basket, but they're called sweet chocolate pepper plants. And they are from the Heirloom Expo. So we'll set those over there, but I do like sweet peppers. I'm not crazy about super, super hot peppers. I think they're just a novelty. I don't like to burn my face off. Like I said in my other video, I about killed my kids with some habaneros. Having said that, I might as well go on to this one here. These are my jalapenos. That's about as hot as I'll go because I like flavor. But I sowed them twice and they just didn't take. I'm probably going to have to buy seedlings, which I don't like to do because of all the chemicals and stuff in them. But at least I can control what they're growing in. at my home and keep them organic as far as what is added to them and put on them. I might be able to find some organics. I know that Bonnie does put out organics, at least they did last year, and they were like the basic plants, tomatoes, peppers, lettuces and stuff they had in organics last year. So maybe this year they'll have some jalapenos. Jalapenos are a pretty basic garden plant to grow. So I will have to buy seedlings for those. Another type of bell pepper that I did, this is called Sweet Pepper by Burpee, and it's one of their organic seeds, and these did pretty well. I'm not going to need more than that. I just do a few of each kind. I really like peppers, so they just add a lot to whatever you're eating. You could put a pepper in it. And these right here are the mini purple bells that I grew last year that I just rave about. I shared a lot of these. I made some stuffed peppers and froze them, which I'm going to start sharing my recipes and maybe do some videos on them. I made some, but these as a stuffed pepper are just delicious. And these are seeds that I saved last year from what I got. I still have more in here. You can hear them rattling around in there. There's quite a few in there. So highly, highly recommend those. If you want to get those from seed, I got them from Harris Seed Organics. So they are an organic seed. And they're called Mini Bell Chocolate Organic Peppers. And they are tiny peppers, but they're kind of like a bite-size or 2 bite-sized peppers. They're yummy to eat raw as a snack, or like I said, to stuff them. And I would put them in the crock pot with a sauce. And oh my God, that was so yummy. So like I said, later on I'll be sharing some of my recipes with you, probably when it turns cold outside. Simply because I'm inside more, and like I've been outside all day today. It's hard to get me inside during the spring. Okay guys, any questions, comments, concerns, please put them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next